Hi, M6012. Please introduce yourself.
Good day to all prospective employers in Hong Kong. My name is Lisel Dapitan Manjuyot. I'm 39 years old, widow. I have 3 children, 2 boys and 1 girl. My father's name Bonifacio Manhuyot. My mother's name Ilsa Manhuyot. I am a Catholic. I am a high school graduate. I live in Tigabulong, Dimataling, Zamboanga del Sur. I, I worked before in Kuwait for 2 years and 1 month. I serve 5 members of the family, 2 adults and 3 children. Ages are 1, 3, and 5 years old. My main duties are taking care of children, cleaning, ironing, washing clothes, and washing dishes. I also have experience in Singapore within 8 months. I I serve 4 members of the family, 2 adults and 2 children. Ages are 2 months and 2 years old. My main duties are cleaning, ironing, washing clothes, washing dishes, and taking care of babies.
Okay. Since I saw that you have experience taking care of a newborn baby, so it is okay to you to take care of a newborn, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. For sure you have an idea how to prepare a milk for a newborn.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If the newborn is crying, what will you do?
You need to check the temperature when the baby have a fever. You need to tell to our employer. And change also the diaper.
Okay. And if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you do everything, what will you do?
We need to call our employer.
And what we should say to your employer?
We need to bring the hospital.
Okay. If the baby why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to provide my children needs.
And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
2 years until my employer want me to stay with them.
So it is okay to you to extended your contract?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn, like watching in the YouTube.
Or you can buy some cookbooks, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. By the way, you are ex-Singapore. Do you have a little bit knowledge about Chinese food?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What kind of Chinese food?
Steamed fish.
Steamed fish.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And other?
Steam meat also, sir.
Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share jobs as a helper?
Yes, sir.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup by your employer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How about if your employers have pets on their house? It is okay to you to take care of them?
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of elderly?
Sir.
It is okay to you to
Yes,
help
sir.
them go to bed, to bathroom?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn Cantonese?
Yes, sir.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
Yes. To all prospective employers in Hong Kong, please choose me as your domestic helper. I promise I will do my duties and responsibilities. Thank you and God bless.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Lisel.
Yes.